So here's the follow-up on the 65 GMC. The other day, on the startup, my fan belt, or my fan fucking like ripped off. So now I went over to my buddy's house that builds rat rods, custom rat rods. And he gave me a new one for free. So now here we are, we're gonna install it right now. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off my radiator, what would you call this?
Cover.
Radiator cover. Usually there's 4 bolts on this one, but on this old ass thing, one of them's missing.
Hey guys, my name's Anthony. I play Summoners 4. Why don't you add me? My name is Zoccoli. Z-O-C-C-O-L-I. Send me a friend request, and you can use my what's your guy's name?
Ritesh.
You can use my Ritesh in your dungeon fights.
Anything.
It's okay, guys. I don't have anything else to do, so I play it too.
Team carry over here.
Here we go. Here's the old one.
Damn, that looks like shit.
Dude, man, look at how old that shit is. Vintage, dog.
Oh, yeah.
Vintage. Can you keep that?
Oh, you got it. Yo, boy. Shaboinga.
That was a fucking hassle.
All right, victory screech. All right, Sal, tell me what you're going to do next.
Alright. Now that I fucking got this bitch finally fitted on there.
Okay, stop the cussing.
Okay. Now that I finally got it in there, I just gotta put the screws back on. Tighten it evenly.
Like a tire.
Like a tire. Change the tire. That's better. Let's see, where's my hole at?
In the middle.
There you go. Okay. Fuck. Lines up.
There you go.
Okay.
Little Zach's camera shy.
I'm not camera shy.
Yo, if we get 10 likes on this video, though, Little Zach will take his hat off.
20.
How many?
20.
20 likes on this video and you'll take your hat off?
You better go make 15 fake ass profiles.
Hell yeah, dude. What do you mean? Well,
Scotty number 1.
there's
Scotty number 2.
1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 of us here.
He ain't liking it.
Oh, that's true. 3 of us here. I'll get my grandma to watch it. She'll like it.
He'll forget it.
Nah, he likes all the videos. 20 likes. Little Zach gets his hat off. You hear that, Sal?
What?
20 likes. Little Zach's taking off his hat.
Holy fuck.
You gonna promote the fuck out of this one or what? Huh?
I don't want to see that.
Yeah, would it be funny as hell? What do you mean, no?
For all y'all like, for everyone that likes Chrome.
Bold. Bold. Just imagine King Neptune from SpongeBob when you see Little Zach with his hat off. Anthony will shave his beard for 30 likes.
Oh, yeah.
Anthony will shave his beard for 30 views.
We'll just get Sal drunk again and we'll shave his beard.
Get Sal and Eric drunk again. If you missed that one, go look at the last video I uploaded. You know what? I'll put the link in the description. Just skip to like 3 minutes and 50 seconds or something.
Just start twisting all the knobs in here.
I don't even think the heat works, dude.
Yeah, you pull this.
Yeah, I don't think it works. You turn like go that way or something. New fan installed.
With the new fan installed, hopefully our heads don't get cut off. Okay. That does it for this part of the